A beautiful outdoor space isn't just about the furniture. Color is the key. Behr offers a selection of nature-inspired colors that make your home's exterior feel warmer, calmer, and more harmonious. Today, we'll explore the best Behr colors for outdoor living and how each one brings its own character to your space. Before we continue, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss the next design inspiration. Number 1. Sonora Rose from Behr. Inspired by exotic desert landscapes, Sonora Rose presents a soft blend of pink and brown. The color resembles freshly steeped potpourri made from dried rose petals, giving a natural, gentle, yet warm impression. It is perfect for terrace areas, accent walls, and wooden fences that aim to create a romantic yet grounded atmosphere. Sonora Rose offers a calming visual effect when paired with green plants or natural materials such as stone and wood. Number 2. Village Green from Behr. For those who appreciate a shaded and natural impression, Village Green is the perfect choice. Its grayish-green hue creates an atmosphere reminiscent of being in a forest at sunset. Cool, calming, and elegant. Village Green is ideal for garden walls, pergolas, or other outdoor structures to bring a touch of nature without appearing too bold. Its softness makes it easy to pair with a variety of neutral palettes or earth-toned furniture elements. Number 3. Smoky White from Behr. If you prefer a clean and bright appearance, smoky white can be the perfect foundational color. Its grayish-white tone brings the feel of a gentle, calming morning mist. Smoky white creates a modern, neat impression and is highly flexible to pair with any color. When used on exterior walls, it can make spaces feel more open, while on terrace ceilings or building columns, it can add visual depth without losing warmth. Number 4. Tranquil Gray from Behr. As its name suggests, tranquil gray brings a sense of calm and harmony. This soft taupe gray color feels like a soothing whisper on the walls, subtle, elegant, and full of warmth. Tranquil gray is perfect for those who want their outdoor space to feel spa-like or reminiscent of a hot stone massage. In addition, this color is highly versatile for patios, outdoor lounge areas, or the exterior walls of modern minimalist homes. Number 5. Sculptor Clay from Behr. Sculptor clay is a harmonious blend of gray and beige, greige, inspired by pottery artworks shaped on a wheel. This color conveys a soft, grounded, yet distinctive character. When applied to exterior walls, it offers a clean, modern, and calming appearance. It is highly recommended for those who want to bring a creative atmosphere to outdoor spaces, whether on a terrace, an outdoor hobby area, or a small art studio. Number 6. Winter White from Behr. If you are looking for a white color with a cool and elegant nuance, Winter White is the answer. This color radiates a soft, frosty impression, like a clear and quiet winter night. When applied to exterior walls, Winter White creates a refined and sophisticated atmosphere. It is perfect for emphasizing modern architectural lines or giving a minimalist feel to outdoor areas that embrace Nordic or coastal styles. Number 7. Sierra from Behr. Sierra is one of the most popular colors for both interior and exterior use. This tan shade, inspired by vast desert panoramas, feels warm, natural, and friendly toward sunlight. Sierra can enhance the aesthetic of rustic, bohemian, or Mediterranean-style homes. It also pairs beautifully with stone, wood, or terracotta textures, creating a harmonious finish for facades, patios, and courtyard walls. Number 8. Canyon Dusk from Behr. For lovers of earthy tones, Canyon Dusk offers a relaxed and comforting terracotta nuance. This color creates a warm, casual atmosphere, making it an excellent choice for outdoor family gathering spaces. Canyon Dusk provides character without being too bold, making it suitable for accent walls, fences, or outdoor features such as open kitchens and fire pit areas. The colors above form an ideal palette for creating an outdoor atmosphere that feels more connected to nature, calming, and aesthetically pleasing. Whether you desire the warm tones of the desert, the cool serenity of a dusk forest, or the purity of white with gray accents. This range of Behr colors can serve as a strong visual foundation for your outdoor space. By choosing the right colors, your outdoor area becomes more than just a place to relax. It becomes a reflection of the lifestyle, character, and tranquility you want to experience every day.